The Python program outlined above offers critical insights for management, helping them make more informed, strategic decisions. Here's how it assists in the decision-making process. The graph titled Human-Centric Approach, AI/ML Impact on Education and Organizational Performance, 2018 to 2025 forecast, shows the progression of AI adoption and its corresponding impact on human productivity in two sectors, education and organizations from 2018 to 2025. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Key components. 1. AI adoption in education, %. Blue line represents the percentage of AI technology adoption in the education sector. Shows a steady upward trend, reflecting a gradual increase in AI implementation over time. 2. AI adoption in organizations, %. Green line represents the percentage of AI technology adoption in organizations, business and other sectors. Also follows a consistent upward trajectory, but at a higher rate than education, suggesting that organizations have been quicker in adopting AI technologies compared to the education sector. 3. Human productivity increase in education, %. Orange dashed line represents the percentage increase in human productivity due to AI adoption in education. While it increases at a steady rate, it remains lower than the AI adoption rates, indicating that productivity benefits from AI in education are growing but lag behind organizational impacts. 4. Human productivity increase in organizations, %. Red dashed line shows the percentage increase in human productivity resulting from AI adoption in organizations. The trend indicates that organizations are experiencing a more rapid rise in productivity compared to the education sector, likely due to faster AI adoption and greater integration into their workflows. Analysis for Management Decision Support System, DSS. AI adoption trends. Both education and organizations are on a rising curve for AI adoption, with organizations leading in overall adoption. This indicates the increasing importance of AI in improving processes and decision-making. Strategic action. Management can prioritize further investments in AI technologies, especially in sectors that are lagging, example education, to stay competitive and drive further productivity gains. Productivity impacts. In education, the productivity impact of AI adoption is increasing but is less pronounced than in organizations. This suggests that while AI is having a positive effect, education may need more targeted efforts to fully leverage AI's potential, example training, better integration with curricula. In organizations, the higher productivity gains in organizations reflect AI's more effective integration into operational processes. This provides an opportunity to scale AI-driven solutions across various departments or industries. Forecasting insights, 2025. The forecasted data for 2025 suggests that both AI adoption and productivity will continue to grow. By planning for these changes, management can enhance resource allocation, focus investments on AI initiatives that promise the highest productivity returns, particularly in organizations where the ROI from AI appears stronger. Risk mitigation. The slower increase in productivity in education indicates potential barriers to AI's full effectiveness. Management should consider strategies to remove these barriers, such as addressing gaps in AI infrastructure, training, or adoption processes. Sector-specific focus. Organizations. Given the sharp rise in both AI adoption and productivity, management should continue enhancing AI-driven solutions to maintain competitive advantages. Education. The slower productivity growth signals the need for innovation and strategy revision in how AI is integrated into education. This might involve partnerships with tech firms or curriculum changes to foster more effective use of AI. Conclusion. The graph serves as a decision-making tool for management by highlighting key areas for AI investment, productivity improvements, and strategic resource allocation. It provides a clear view of where AI is having the most impact and where future growth and improvements can be expected. 1. Tracking technological adoption and trends. AI adoption. The program tracks and visualizes AI adoption rates in both education and organizations from 2018 to 2025. By observing this trend, management can benchmark their current technology adoption levels against industry standards, Identify opportunities to enhance AI implementation in their operations. Understand the pace of change, which helps in determining the urgency and scale of future investments in AI technologies. 2. Forecasting future outcomes. The inclusion of 2025 forecast data offers a predictive outlook, giving management a future view of how AI adoption and human productivity might evolve. This enables proactive decision-making. Instead of reacting to changes as they happen, management can plan for future AI integration, ensuring they are prepared for the technology's growing role. Resource allocation. Knowing that AI adoption will continue to increase, management can allocate budget, training, and development resources more effectively. Talent management. Planning for future skills and upskilling programs becomes easier when management understands how much AI will shape their workforce productivity. 3. Evaluating impact on productivity. The correlation between AI adoption and human productivity is one of the key insights. The program shows that as AI adoption grows, so does human productivity, in both education and organizations. Management can use this information to optimize labor productivity. AI can automate repetitive tasks, enabling employees to focus on more value-added activities. Management can decide how best to implement AI to boost efficiency and effectiveness. Justify investments in AI by showing that it leads to measurable productivity improvements, improving the overall return on investment, ROI. 4. Comparing sectors, education versus organizations. The program provides insights for two sectors, education and organizations, which can help management prioritize AI investments based on sector performance. If productivity and adoption are higher in organizations than in education, or vice versa, management can make targeted decisions on where to invest more resources. Develop tailored strategies for different sectors, ensuring the unique challenges and opportunities in each are addressed appropriately. 5. Improved strategic planning. The visualization helps management understand how AI technologies are transforming operations and workforce dynamics over time, which aids in long-term planning. Having a multi-year view of AI adoption and productivity lets management set strategic objectives for AI integration and workforce development. Risk management. Understanding the current pace of AI adoption and productivity can help identify gaps and risks that need addressing, example lack of skills, over-reliance on manual processes. 6. Enhanced decision support. The data-driven nature of the program provides an objective basis for decisions. Instead of relying on intuition, management can make evidence-based decisions. Decisions on AI adoption, workforce management, and process improvements can be grounded in clear, visual data trends. Informed budget allocation. Management can prioritize areas where AI implementation has the highest impact on productivity, ensuring efficient use of resources. 7. Communication tool for stakeholders. The program's output can serve as a visual aid in meetings and presentations, helping management communicate performance trends and future projections to stakeholders like board members, employees, and investors. Justify the need for AI adoption initiatives or process improvements based on visualized forecasts. 8. Performance evaluation. Management can use the program's historical data and forecasts to evaluate whether past AI investments have resulted in productivity gains, how the organization's AI adoption compares with industry trends, and if they need to accelerate adoption to remain competitive. 9. Scenario analysis and flexibility. The ability to tweak the forecasted data or alter assumptions provides flexibility in scenario analysis, helping management to explore different future possibilities, example slower or faster AI adoption, and plan accordingly. Understand the impact of external factors, example government regulations or new technological innovations, on AI adoption and productivity, adjusting their strategies in response. In conclusion, this program offers a comprehensive data visualization tool that aids management in understanding AI trends, forecasting future impacts, and making well-informed decisions that align with long-term organizational goals. It fosters proactive planning, risk management, and strategic growth in an increasingly AI-driven world. In management terms, the Python program uses data visualization to represent trends and projections regarding the adoption of artificial intelligence, AI, and its influence on human productivity in both the education sector and organizations. Here's a breakdown. Purpose. The program presents a forecast analysis, 2018 to 2025, to demonstrate the impact of AI adoption and its correlation with human productivity improvement. This type of visualization helps decision-makers understand current trends and anticipate future changes in AI-driven transformation, enabling better strategic planning. Key components. 1. AI adoption in education and organizations. Tracks the percentage increase of AI integration into both educational institutions and business organizations. Helps managers and stakeholders identify how rapidly AI is being incorporated across sectors. The data shows AI adoption growing steadily, with faster growth anticipated between 2023 and 2025. 2. Human productivity in education and organizations. Reflects how human productivity, measured as a percentage, is increasing alongside AI adoption. This relationship indicates that as AI tools and technologies become more integrated, they complement human efforts, resulting in productivity gains. The productivity increase in organizations and educational institutions showcases workforce efficiency improvements as AI automates repetitive tasks. Visualization and insights. Lines and markers. The program uses lines to represent the growth trends for AI adoption and productivity increases, making it easier to spot patterns. Blue line represents AI adoption in education. Green line shows AI adoption in organizations. Orange dashed line indicates human productivity improvement in education. Red dashed line shows human productivity in organizations. Forecasting. 2025. The visualizations extend the current data to provide a forecast for 2025, enabling management to plan for expected levels of AI adoption and productivity outcomes in the future. Practical use for management. Strategic planning. By comparing AI adoption rates and productivity improvements, management can gauge technology investment needs. Performance monitoring. Productivity improvements in both sectors allow managers to assess the return on investment, ROI, in AI technologies. Forecasting and decision making. The 2025 projections assist in future-proofing operations, enabling leaders to allocate resources and develop initiatives for smooth AI integration. This Python program, thus, serves as a data-driven tool for management to understand the AI technology impact on organizational and educational productivity, helping drive informed decisions and improve performance. Thank you.